Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where learning English is easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic, talking on the phone in English. Phone calls can feel scary. You can't see the person's face, and sometimes they speak too fast. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say when making or answering a phone call in English, naturally and confidently. We'll teach you real-life examples, polite expressions, and practice phrases you can start using today. So, grab your phone and let's start. Telephone receiver main lesson sections. 1. Starting the call. How to say hello naturally. Let's begin with how to start a phone call. You don't want to sound too formal or too robotic. Here are some natural ways to say hello. You can say, "Hello, this is Paul speaking." "Hi, it's Emily. How are you?" Or, if you're calling a company, "Good morning, this is Emily from Smart Tech." Notice how we say, "This is Emily" instead of "I am Emily." That's the correct and natural way to introduce yourself on the phone. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Backhand index pointing right, "Hello, this is your name speaking." Backhand index pointing right, "Hi, it's your name. How are you?" Pause for audience to repeat. Great job. Keep that smile in your voice. Yes, people can actually hear it. 2. Asking to speak to someone. Okay, now imagine you're calling an office and you want to talk to someone specific. What can you say? Try these polite ways. "May I speak to Mr. Johnson, please? Could I talk to the manager, please? Is Sarah available?" And if you're the one answering the phone, you can say, "Sure, may I ask who's calling?" "Hold on a moment, please. I'll put you through." That means I'll connect you. Performing arts mini conversation. "Good afternoon, this is Paul from Bright Tech. May I speak to Ms. Emily, please?" "Hi, Paul. This is Emily speaking. How can I help you today?" See? Short, polite, and friendly. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Backhand index pointing right, "May I SP?"